This 2024 American Coach American Dream 45P is a Class A RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new American coach is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 American Coach American Dream 45P is built on a Freightliner SLM chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.